So today we're going to talk about 4 websites that you can go to get some employment opportunities right now today. It's almost April 2019, and these websites are still hot. So the first one we're going to talk about is Literally. So with Literally, basically how that works is you work from wherever you want as a transcriptionist. Your job is to listen as the student reads aloud. You must be able to type and identify their errors and assess their reading skills. So let's just have a quick look at this video on Literally, struggling with that one today, and let's see how they get on.
Here's a quick demo of Literally. First, you assign each of your students to an approximate reading level. Then, your students log into Literally, read aloud, and answer a few questions. Within 24 hours, we send you scored running records with audio recordings, miscues, comprehension, and a retell. That's Literally. Thanks for listening.
So as you can see by the video, it's pretty straightforward. If you go to literally.com, you'll see that where that little video is. How does it work? So the students read. Your students read aloud and answer questions on almost any device, like an iPad, Chromebook, laptop, etc. Teacher gets the results, so within 24 hours you get a running record with scores for accuracy, fluency and comprehension. And then why Literally? You can find accurate reading levels, pinpoint student needs, maximize instructional time. So you can contact them, you can see what they're pricing and stuff like that. But that's one website that's pretty straightforward to use, and again, you can do it from anywhere in your home, so or anywhere in the world, a coffee shop, at home, anywhere at all you want. So yeah, it's definitely worth a look. That's Literally. The next website we want to look at is a website called Fancy Hands. You can sign up for a free account and get access to a list of different types of virtual assistant jobs. Simply log in and claim average tasks and complete them, and the pay ranges from anywhere from $10 up. So Fancy Hands is a team of US based assistants at your fingertips. Use any device at any time of day, and our assistants will tackle anything on your to-do list. So it's for employers, for developers, plans and pricing, and it's just fancyhands.com. So if you go to the website, you can see some reviews, get your time back. We've baked in plenty of features like scheduling, text messaging, purchasing, rollover requests, reoccurring requests. If you can get yourself into those, if you're interested in doing some virtual assistant work and you get reoccurring clients, because it's hard. I've used virtual assistants myself, and once you find a good one, it's like anything, I suppose you want to keep using them. So if you can get into reoccurring requests, obviously you can ask for more money, and away you go. They have business features as well. Fancy Hands has been a great way for me to not only train myself on delegating, but it has also saved me a ton of time making phone calls, booking appointments, and doing research, etc. So it's nothing too strenuous. You can see it here. You come down below here, then you can see how does it work. Click in on that. There are 2 types of requests, standard request and live request. A standard request is 20 minutes worth of work. When you use live request, you get 10 minutes of live chatting for every request. So head over to fancyhands.com. You'll see it here. This is just a quick example of how it works. And there you go. Simple as that. So it's just fairly straightforward requests. But that's fancyhands.com. The next one we want to check out is a website called Study Pool. This is an academic website where you can provide homework support to students. You can work from anywhere you want, but it does require to have a college degree to be currently enrolled in a university, or be currently enrolled in a university. So if you just go to Study Pool homepage, it's what they call micro tutoring. Just go to see how it works. So post homework questions with a budget and a delivery time. Questions are posted anonymously and can be made 100% private. Choose a favorite tutor or get automatically matched with our recommendation. Our tutors are highly qualified and vetted. That's where you come in and you get an answer. Get a high quality explanation and answer to your question. Payment once a satisfactory answer has been provided. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. So if you come on to studypool.com, you'll see what's available, top questions, and you can get answering there. If you scroll down to the bottom here, you see all the subjects that they cover, from accounting all the way to writing, guys, and everything in between. See a bit of Python there. There's nothing here, guys, I'll rephrase that. There is stuff in here that you can learn online that you can use. They won't teach you in schools, basically. So I tried with it, or they worked with TechCrunch, with Forbes and the Huffington Post. So that's studypool.com. Head over to that site and have a little look around. In there, just there to become a tutor. The next one we want to look at is time, etc. Work as a virtual assistant for timeetc.com. You can work anytime from Monday to Friday, and you must commit to at least 5 hours a week. So again, this is another VA site. So these VA sites are becoming more and more popular, and it is, as I said before, it is hard to get a good one. So if this is something that you like doing and you apply yourself and you're anyway decent at all at it, you will get a lot of business and you will get a lot of repeat business. So if you go over to timeetc.com, come down to the bottom here, and you can freelance with them. You can become an affiliate if that's something that you're interested in. But the website is pretty smooth. If you freelance with them, you'll see what kind of gigs they have to offer. And Time ETC is a website that's not really as well known as some of the other ones we've covered on the site, but it's definitely one that's up and coming, and that sometimes is where you can get the best deals. We did a bit of fluting around with this, for want of a better word, and we couldn't actually get a pay grade on it without actually signing up. When I went to sign up, I just didn't get a chance to really complete it out, but I might do an in-depth review of this site, because it does look pretty good. As I say, it's one of the ones we haven't covered, so that's timeetc.com, but it's definitely worth checking out. And if you want to check it out and come back to me, leave a comment down below, then absolutely. So I hope these couple of websites helped you out, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons down below. Leave any comments you have, or if any questions, or if there's anything I can help you with, just leave a comment down below. Sure to get back to you. And I'll leave a couple of videos here, I think you'll like them. I also have freelance training videos. I'll leave links down below for you. You can check them out, and it might help you get up and running if you're looking for part-time work or to work remotely. So until next time, guys, short video today. Take care. Bye bye.